Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing you what's inside this Scrawlr box. This is the March box, and just like last month's box, it arrived a little later than usual. Scrawlr had difficulty with their suppliers from overseas and had to quickly change the content of this box. So this month's originally planned box will probably arrive next month. And with this out of the way, let's open the box. Okay, let's have a look inside the box. So we have, that feels like pens. So we've got the description, a sticker, and Faber Castell pens. Brush pens, I actually do have loads of these. And one in scarlet red, looks like orange to me. We also have a, what's this? A Unipin fine line, water and fade proof, pigment ink in, I think it's very fine, let's have a look. And it's in a light grey. Okay, and we've got another one, another Unipin fine line in 1.0. I will test these on paper anyway, just doing it on my hand. Then we have a pencil made by Derwent, a 2B. And then we have another pen. What's this? A Uniball Signo gel stick 0.7. Again, I think it's better to do this on paper, which I will do later. And of course another sweet. These are quite nice and chewy. Yep. Then we have, of course, the Scrawlr zine. Let's have a look. This is from this month's artist, Shane Vorhaben. It's an unusual name, sounds German, but he is actually from Missouri, from Branson, Missouri. And finally we also get some drawing paper, A5 of course, everything is A5 because it comes in this box and needs to fit. 12 sheets. Yep, this is drawing paper, specially made for Scrawlr box. And it's quite thick as well, 250 GSM. Okay, I will have a play with these. And of course also give you the prices, the retail price of all of these. And also we'll do the drawing challenge. The paper pad was made for the box and has 12 pages of uncoated, slightly textured and absorbent paper, which is also bleed proof. The weight of the paper is 250 GSM and the pad retails at £2.99. The Derwent graphic pencil is a B2 and retails at £1.55. The Unipin line drawing pen has a nib size of 1.0 and is waterproof and fade-proof. It retails at £2.49. The Unipin Brush Pen is grey, water-resistant and fade-proof. It retails at £2.49. The Uniball Signo Gel Stick UM170 pen creates smooth lines and has a stainless steel nib of the size 0.7. It retails at £1.49. The Faber Castell Pitt Artist brush pens come in May Green, Sky Blue and Deep Scarlet Red. They are light fast and waterproof and retail at £2.99 each, or together £8.97. The total of the box comes to £19.98. I am testing the pencil and the pens on a piece of scrap paper from my Fabriano Unica pad. There's not that much I can really say here. The pencil works fine and so do the pens. The scarlet red looks more like an orange to me, but you can get it darker by going over it. The nice thing with the Pitt pens is that you can layer them. This month's challenge was to paint leading lines. An example for this month's challenge was provided by American artist Shane Forhaben. I couldn't really make much sense of the challenge theme, so I decided to paint a chameleon instead. I drew the outline first with a pencil and then used the fine liner. I then painted the colors for the chameleon. I used all colors, even the grey, though you can't really see it, for the chameleon. But I also used additional Pitt pens I already have. Raw umber for the branches, chromium green for the leaves and earth green for the background. For the dots on the chameleon, I used a black Faber Castell Pitt pen size S. I used the gel pen for the signature. The painting took me about 3 hours to finish. Although this wasn't the box Scrawlr had planned, I think they did a pretty good job with this alternative. Even though I have already a big collection of Pitt pens, I don't mind having those extra pens. They are great pens to use. The 3 colors they chose for this box worked well together. The sour apple shoe suite was also delicious. I hope you liked this video. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment. If you have suggestions for other videos you want me to make, let me know too. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate to this channel via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching, happy drawing and painting, until next time.